Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this section we are going to implement the delete messages feature. So for that purpose we will go to our messages widget dot file, and when the user tap on the message, that is the long press, here we go. Here we can add a condition. We will check if the message on which the user long press, which user wants to delete, we will check if the UID of it, become equals to the current user ID. If the UID of that message become equals to the current user UID, it means that message belongs to the user, so the user can delete it. Otherwise, if you want the user to delete both the sending messages and the receiving messages, then in that case there is no need to add this condition. Okay, you can just directly implement the code which we will implement now inside this if condition. Okay, but however, just like WhatsApp, we want the user to delete his own messages and not the receiver messages. That is, delete for me, delete for everyone. The user can delete only those messages which the user sent, okay, to the other person. The user can delete only his own messages, in simple words. So this on long press is asynchronous, as we have to wait for the response, as we will display dialog box basically first, on which we will have three options: delete for me, delete for everyone, and cancel. Content column widget, and let's start adding the buttons to it. So first of all, we will have delete for everyone. Then we will have size box 20, and then we will have another button which will be delete for me, and then of course some space and another last button. When the user click on the cancel button, we will close the alert dialog box. So navigator.off context pop. Similarly, in case of when the user click on delete for me, first we will close the dialog box, and of course then we will implement the feature which is delete the messages only for me. Similarly in delete for everyone. So let's test our application just to see how it looks. So now if I open any chat, let's say I want to delete the receiver message. Okay, so if I tap on it, I do not see the dialog box. As you can see that if I tap only on my messages, only then I will see the dialog box which you see here. Okay, so only on my messages I see that. Let's fix the size of this dialog box. So all you need to do is column has a property which is manage size. So the size we want to be manage size dot minimum. So let's restart. So now if I click, you see that delete for everyone, delete for me, and cancel. However, if I click on the receiver side, then it do not display the dialog box.